Hi, I'm Kristen Graves. I'm a real estate broker in northern New Jersey, and here are 6 things I would never do as a homeowner. First thing is I would never let ivy grow on my siding or on my brick. It just gets unwieldy. It will cause major damage. Never let ivy grow. Always cut it back. Number 2, I would never plant bamboo. Once you plant bamboo, there's no stopping it, and it's absolutely impossible to get out of the ground. Yes, sure, it gives you a lot of privacy, but believe me, you will regret it. Number 3, I would never install solar panels, definitely if they're leased. I would not put solar panels on the roof of my house. Number 4, I would never leave an oil tank in the ground. I would look for ways to either convert it to gas if you can, or make sure that that tank gets above ground. If it's underground, you don't know if there's any corrosion and if oil leaks into the soil, which will create a huge amount of problems. Number 5, I would never not have good ventilation in my attic. Without ventilation, mold can grow, so that's something that you always want to maintain. Make sure that you have good ventilation in your attic. And finally, number 6, I would never let my hot water heater go past its expected shelf life. Usually hot water heaters last between, 9 to 11 years. So as it gets close to that time period, it's time to replace it. God forbid you don't want to go on vacation, and that's when the hot water heater decides that's when it's going to spring leak, and it's going to create a huge mess. So get in front of it and be proactive instead of reactive. These are things I wouldn't do as a homeowner. I would love to hear what you wouldn't do as a homeowner. Please leave me a comment.